Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic connectivity. Make sure any physical Wi-Fi switch or FN key is on, and disable airplane mode in Action Center. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi, and verify the adapter shows enabled. Once done, restart your laptop and power cycle the router. Unplug 30 seconds, plug back in, and attempt to reconnect to the same SSID. This rules out transient state issues and often restores radio and DHCP leases quickly without deeper changes. If the basic steps fail, update or roll back the wireless driver in Device Manager. Right-click the adapter, choose Update Driver or Roll Back Driver if an update broke things. Next, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter from Settings. It automates fixes. For deeper repairs, open Command Prompt as administrator and run ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, ipconfig/flushtons, and netch winsock reset, netch int IP reset. Finally, perform network reset in settings when drivers and commands do not restore consistent connectivity. Finish by confirming router security mode and band. Try connecting to the 4 GHz SSID if 5 GHz is flaky, and ensure WPA2 or WPA3 compatibility. Change DNS and adapter settings to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to rule out resolution issues. If problems persist, uninstall the wireless adapter in Device Manager and reboot to force reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip: test connectivity with a phone hotspot. If that works, the router or Wi-Fi band is the likely culprit, not Windows itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.